The first step is to check the equipment received. The second step is to assemble the host accessories. Open the host with the key, screw the matching antenna, connect the wired sound and light siren, red wire to out, black to GND. The power cord goes in from the back. Plug it in. Use the matching spare wire to connect the backup battery. The third step is to prepare the detector. Open the back cover of the detector. Switch on. Close the back cover. Fix it with matching small screws. The fourth step is installation. Fix the base with long screws. Attach the detector and adjust the detection surface. Adjust the light energy panel. Tighten and fix. The final step, test it.